Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you are a new visitor to my channel, do consider subscribing for awesome and easy recipes. Do you see specks of urad dal and palak on the kachoris? These kachoris are absolutely delicious and they are so easy to make. Come, let's get started. These are the ingredients required for this recipe: whole wheat flour, vegetable oil, spinach leaves that have been washed and cleaned, urad dal or black gram with the skin removed. Soak it in water for 2 to 3 hours. Coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, fennel powder, nutmeg, ginger powder, red chili powder and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Water to knead the dough. To begin with, we need to blanch the spinach leaves either by pouring boiling hot water over them and then washing them with cold water, or I like to run them in the microwave on high power. That took me about 1 minute and 40 seconds. I'm pouring in some cold water. So now we just need to drain the water. This is what we get. So now just roughly chop it up. Keep it aside. Drain the water from the urad dal and put it in a mixie bowl. And grind it to a coarse paste. To knead the flour, make a well in the center. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well. Add in all the spices. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Grate in some nutmeg. Nutmeg and spinach really go well together. That's why I'm adding nutmeg. This is just about a pinch of nutmeg here. Give it a mix. Add in the urad dal paste. Mix it up. Then add in the spinach. We need to form a tight dough, so we'll only add water if required. The spinach already has a lot of water in it. It's a lot of fun to break the spinach leaves while kneading the dough. It really gives a nice appeal to the kachoris. Keep kneading till you get a stiff dough. Add very little water as required. The dough has come together. I'll just oil my palm. Knead it for a minute or two. Apply some oil over the dough. It's ready now. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before you start rolling out the kachoris. Once the dough has been rested, just knead it one more time. Form balls out of this dough. About the size of a golf ball. It would be a good idea to slightly oil your palm. The dough tends to stick because of the urad dal in it. Use a bit of oil to roll out the kachoris. See how pretty that looks. Roll out a few puris at a time and then we'll fry them in batches. Heat some oil in a pan for deep frying. The oil looks ready. Fry the kachoris in the hot oil till they are golden brown in color and puffed up. Drain on absorbent paper. The palak and urad dal kachoris are ready. Serve them hot with aloo ki sabzi and enjoy. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends.